Alright everybody, we are at a customer's house here. It is, what is today? The December 16th. And this driveway hasn't been plowed all season. So, this should be fun. We have to get all the way up to the house there. First we got to get this gate open, which is, I hate gates. I just absolutely despise gates. Yeah, if you've ever had to deal with them, especially this style, they are a pain because they do not open well. But these are good people and I like to help them out. Gotta be honest, this is pushing way easier than I thought it was going to. I think it does help that I don't know that they've been here at all since we've gotten snow, and if they did, they didn't drive on it much at all. So that's been really helpful, because usually this is pretty difficult to plow or whatever. But yeah, this is way better than I thought it was going to be. So that's cool. I'm happy about that for sure. better than I thought it was gonna go. I used the back drag there just a little bit to clean up the little area here, and smooth it out a little bit too, that way it won't be so rough, hopefully. It is 26 degrees today, but it feels way warmer than that. It's supposed to be mid-30s today. It's only 10:30, so we've still got good potential chance of getting pretty warm today. Tomorrow is supposed to be in the 40s and rain, unfortunately. But hopefully it looks like it's going to cool right back off after that. We'll see what happens. We wanted to get in here. These guys are going to be up for Christmas, and they wanted to be able to get in and stuff like that. But I wanted to get in here sooner to make sure we get this plowed out and whatnot, because if it does rain and really bad and then freezes, it's really going to be a problem. So I'd like to just get in here and get it done, you know, and that kind of thing. So, but yeah, it's definitely went way better. I've done this driveway where it's been really shitty before. So yeah, but other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.